Good morning, my lovely students. Welcome to your English class. Now, today in this period, we'll study the fourth chapter of your MCB book. Okay, this is a very interesting story. The name of the story is The Minstrel's Song. Students, do you know who were the minstrels? Minstrels were the medieval European entertainers. They sang beautiful songs and they played on the harps and they traveled from place to place. Guys, do you know what is harp? Harp is a musical instrument consisting of a row of strings. Okay, so minstrels were used to sang beautiful songs and they played on the harps and they traveled from place to place. Alright, before starting this story, just have a look on the main character of this story. The first one is the king called Rene, and the second one is a very lovely princess and named Imogen. Guys, very first, this name was used by Sir William Shakespeare for a British princess in his play Cymbeline. It means maiden or girl. And the third and the main character of this story is Harmonious. He is a minstrel. He is a minstrel, and he learns to compose a song which surprises everyone. So let's read this story. Once, long ago, there lived in a country over the sea a king called Rene, who married a lovely princess named Imogen. Alright, guys, king asked her every day how she wanted to be pleased. So one day, she expressed her interest. She expressed an interest in listening to the famous minstrels of the land. Means she told the king that she wanted to listen the famous musicians, the famous singers of the land. The king spread the word, asking famous minstrels of the land to congregate at the palace on May Day. Congregate means gathered. Means when the princess wished so, so the king sent royal messengers throughout his land to invite the minstrels to play at his court on May Day. Alright, so the minstrels from all over the land started to travel to the palace to heed the call. Heed means they were paying attention on the call of the king. Okay, they hurried to the palace because they had heard the king's message and they were eager to see the king and queen and the grand sights of the palace. So they have started to travel to the palace. Among them, there was Harmonious. All right, and others minstrels they have decided that what they will sing when they will reach to the palace, what they will sing. But Harmonious, he kept falling behind the group since he stopped to listen to trees and birds and the sea. Means when others were talking about the site of the palace, when others were discussing about the kings and the queen and the about the palace, the minstrel Harmonious, he used to stop and he listened to the nature. He listened the bird, he listened the wind. Okay, so he kept falling behind the group as he stopped to listen to trees and birds and the sea. Finally, all the minstrels reached the palace and the singing began. This sang of war and pretty women. Okay, the other minstrels they were singing about the war and about they were singing about the pretty women whom they have not seen. But When Harmonious started singing, he sang of the sea, the tree, and the brook. When asked by the king where he heard this from, he replied, it was from the singers he met on the way. The other minstrels were surprised when they heard Harmonious say he had met 3 singers along the way. They said that he must be mad or have been dreaming as they met nobody on the way. Okay, but the princess Imogen, she recognized the song, saying that it was the song of her childhood and that she knew who the singers were. You know how she recognized the song? Because it was the song of the nature. Okay, and like Harmonious, she was also a nature loving. Okay, the whooshing of the wind, the gargling of the brook, and the twittering of the bird have their own melodies. As a nature loving minstrel, Harmonious could hear music in every element of nature. So when the wind, the brook, and the bird make their own music, Harmonious used his imagination and felt like he had heard these songs. All right. So guys, this is the story about a minstrel named Harmonious who learns to compose a fascinating song from the nature which surprised everyone. Okay.